Hi friends, in this problem we are given three positive numbers in arithmetic progression and the product of the smaller two numbers is 85 and the product of larger two numbers is 115. So we can straight away assume these three are in arithmetic progression. The first number is a minus b, second number is a, and third number is a plus b. Right, just for simplicity purpose, we call the second number, the middle number as a and the lower number as a minus d and the upper number as a plus d. Instead of a plus d, a plus 2d. This is just for our simplicity. Right. Now, these two are given. A times a minus d equals 85. A times a plus d is equals 115. We get a square minus ad equals 85. A square plus ad is 115. When you add both of this, we get 2a square equals 85 plus 115, 200. That means a equals 10. A can be 10 or plus 10 or minus 10, but we are given that these are positive numbers. That's why let's take only the positive 10. Then let's substitute this 10 in one of these equations. 10 square minus 10d equals 85. That means d is 1.5. What does that mean? A minus d is 8.5 and a plus d is 11.5. These are the three numbers that we are looking for. Right, it's a pretty straightforward problem. Hope you understood this. Thank you guys.